Hello, my name is Dr. James Calder. I am the surgeon in the Ziering office in Newport Beach, California. I've been doing hair restoration on a dedicated basis for nearly 20 years now. Not quite as long as Dr. Ziering, but we're both veterans of the field. We actually have a prior relationship that goes back about 15 years in time when we worked together here shortly after Dr. Ziering first came to California. I want to welcome you all to come visit us and hear about the many new opportunities, interesting opportunities, and great options that weren't available as recently as just several years ago in the field of hair restoration. We can now offer a service to most everyone, whether they be in the early or advanced stages of hair loss, and with minimum risk and maximal patient satisfaction.